Hello, APSC PYQA Part D, Year 1997, Question number 77 to 100, Paper 1, General Studies Solo, Apnaloko, Swagatam. Question number 77. The All Parties Conference was convened in 1928. A. To promote communal harmony. B. To prepare a plan for the overthrow of British rule. C. To produce a constitution acceptable to all parties in India. D. To decide whether cooperation should be extended to the British during the Second World War or not. The correct answer is C. To produce a constitution acceptable to all parties in India. Question number 78. Winston Churchill announced the dispatch of Cripps mission with a view to A. Find a genuine solution to the Indian problem. B. Prove that the Indian problem was insolvable. C. Meet the growing criticism of this policy towards India in the British Parliament. D. None of the above. The answer is D. None of the above. Question number 79. Suaguritola is a custom connected with A. Durga Puja festival. B. Assamese Bihu. C. Assamese marriage. D. Assamese Onkyo Bhauna. The answer is C. Assamese marriage. Question number 80. The Ogal is A. Temple. B. Dance. C. Song. D. Festival. The correct answer is D. Festival. Question number 81. Who among the following build up the philosophy of Visishta Vaida qualified monoism? A. Ramanuja. B. Shankaracharya. C. Ramananda. D. Chaitanya. The correct answer is A. Ramanuja. Question number 82. The primitive tribes of Andaman are the descendants of A. Negroids. B. Mongoloids. C. Australids. And D. Caucasoids. The answer is A. Negroids. Question number 83. The Ahom invasion to Assam took place in A. 1011 AD, B. 1810 AD, C. 1228 AD, D. 1538 AD. The correct answer is C. 1228 AD. Question number 84. Question number 84. The name of the Assamese film which won 44th National Film Award for Photography and Editing as A. Ashray, B. Sandhya Rag, C. Rag Birag, D. Ira Batar Sur. The correct answer is C. Rag Birag. Question number 85. The principal difficulty in harnessing solar energy is A. The need for expensive equipment, B. Need for special expertise, C. That the sunlight is not equally available in all parts of the world, D. The expenditure involved in storing it, and the correct answer is D. The expenditure involved in storing it. Question number 86. The ordinary glass is made mainly of A. Quartz, B. Silicate, D. C. Granite, D. Graphite. The correct answer is B. Silicate. The question number 87. When a football is pumped, the pump gets heated by because of A. Compression of the air inside it, B. Rarefaction of the air inside it, C. Transfer of air to the ball, D. Exchange of heat with the ball. The correct answer is A. Compression of the air inside it. Question number 88. The brass is an alloy of A. Copper and tin, B. Copper and zinc, C. Aluminium and copper, D. Zinc and iron. The correct answer is B. Copper and zinc. Question number 89. Which one of the following awards is given to the scientists and technologists? A. Jnanpith Award, B. Arjuna Award, C. Dadasaheb Phalke Award, D. Shanti Swarp Award. The correct answer is Shanti Swarp Award. Question number 90. The Indian satellite used for natural resources survey is called? A. INSAT, B. LANDSAT, C. Indian Remote Sensing Satellite IRS, D. NOAH. The correct answer is C. IRS. Question number 91. Wine and beer are produced by fermentation, but brandy and whiskey are produced by fermentation followed by distillation because A. Distillation is faster than fermentation, B. Distillation improves the beverage quality, C. Distillation helps prolong the storage period of the beverages, D. Fermentation is inhibited when the alcohol content exceeds certain limits. The correct answer is B. Distillation improves the beverage quality. Question number 92. A detergent is A. Soap, B. Drug, C. Catalyst, D. Cleaning agent. The answer is D. Cleaning agent. Question number 93. Acid ranks 15th in the examination. Visit in 10th form the last. If Chandra is 6th after acid and just at the middle of acid and visit, how many candidates are there in the examination? A 31, B 35, C 36, D 37. The correct answer is C 36. Question number 94. A man has to walk a distance of 180 meters to go round his rectangular plot of land which measures 20 hectares. What is the differences between the length and breadth of the plot? The A 10 meter, B 18 meter, C 20 meter, D 24 meter. The correct answer is A 10 meter. Question number 95. If pencil is quoted as RDPEK and then father is quoted will be quoted as A B Z S Z D Q, B H C B J Z T, C Z B U I F S, D D Y R F C P. The correct answer is B H C V J G T. Question number 96. In a renowned college, there are 75 national level players in the 3 different games. 10 of them play all 3 football, hockey and cricket. 17 of them can play 2 games. 5 play football and hockey. 7 play hockey and cricket. Equal number of players play only football, hockey and cricket. How many play football? A 32, B 36, C 24, D 48. The correct answer is B 36. Question number 97. The ages of Ashok, Deepak and Ramu are in the proportion of 3:5:6. If differences between the ages of Deepak and Ramu is 5 years, of age of Ashok is A 25, B 30, C 15, D 20. The correct answer is C 15. Question number 98. A frog is at the bottom of a 30 feet deep well. Each day he crawls up 3 feet and he slips back 2 at the rate the frog will reach the top of the well is A 10 days, B 15 days, C 28 days, D 30 days. Correct answer is C 28 days. Question number 99. A candidate should score 45% marks of the total marks to pass the examination. He gets 520 marks and fails by 20 marks. The total marks in the examination are A 1000, B 1100, C 1200, D 1400. The correct answer is C 1200. Question number 100. Down is related to dusk, then inauguration is related to A invitation, B valediction, C reception, D organization. The correct answer is B valediction. Thank you for watching my video.